for sunshine. Waiting for sunshine. Ooh, waiting for sunshine.
Where are we going?
Disney.
Excited? Let's do this.
So dads do the heavy work.
So we're at the airport and we just finished putting all of our information and the machine crashed. So now we're waiting in line waiting for a person.
And here we go.
Okay, guys, we're here in the airplane and we're already stopped. We landed. We landed.
Where?
Look at where we are. In Florida. We're in Florida. So, we're gonna give that out. We're going Disneyland.
No,
Disney World. Oh,
it's not the same place.
say Disney World. Disney World.
Good job. Comment t'as trouvé l'avion, Derek?
I'll talk about that later.
Okay.
So we just got off at a plane. And I don't film much on planes. I don't like to film on planes. I like to get on and get off as fast as possible. And we're here now, and vacation officially begins when we get off at a plane.
Dernière étape avant le Are we happy?
At the airport. And now we got onto our bus. Yeah. So now we're taking a Mears shuttle to get to our hotel.
Made it to Walt Disney World. Clap, clap.
The magic begins now. and gentlemen, Rainforest Cafe.
I'll be honest with you. If you come to Walt Disney, not make sandwiches, you gotta go to the restaurants. It's the best thing ever. This meal is totally worth it, even if it's expensive. It's delicious every single bite. Eat food from the restaurant. It's gonna cost, but it's delicious. Do it.
Oh, happy birthday from all of us to you. We made you something special. We made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. Hey!
Blow out the candle and make a wish.
You good over here?
Make a wish.
Everybody's good?
Everybody's good. Make a wish.